Alright, so today I'm going to review Epic. So Epic is great because you can do it on a laptop or you can do it on any other type of touchscreen device. And this is our class code to log in. So when our students first got this, I chose laptop instructions and they knew exactly what to do. But then there's also, if you had an iPad or a type of Android device, that would also show you how. And also another great feature I love is the learning videos. So the learning videos are very interesting and the kids love them, but sometimes they are too distracting because they will watch them and not read. So I would always cut it off, but I would cut it on for a special treat. So let's go on why this is great for kids. So it has a read to me feature. So for those kids who struggle to read, they're good at comprehending but may struggle to read what is being said in the text. So if I wanted it to be read to me, I would click play.
Ink and Scribbles. Ink wants to hear what Scribbles has to say about his finished.
So the awesome thing about this is it's highlighting the words that is being said, so the kids know how to follow along exactly on what is being said. But now, this is the downfall I have found. Where did my... is this. So there's a play quiz game. So this is a read to me book, but when you take the quiz, it no longer reads to you. I don't see this as fair because if they struggle to read the book, they're going to struggle to read the questions. So say if I just click on an answer also, I don't like this feature, submit, it's the wrong answer. But instead of allowing the kid to go back to choose the right answer, they went ahead and just kept going with the test. I think they should be allowed to take the question again. Alright, so I'm going to exit this quiz. Also, when I go to a page, someone with a visual impairment, this is great because you can zoom. So and drag the book to see it. So you can pick how far you want it zoomed in and how far you want it zoomed out. So that is a great feature for someone who struggles to see. Also, there's not only read to me, there's audiobooks. So I actually had a student who would listen to audiobooks while she cleaned her room. So it is a very engaging audiobook.
H-E when he paused.
And
A-R?
so this is great for a student to read and will not have to have the book in their hands but be able to listen to a text. Also, a big thing now for kids is comics. So there's even a comics section because I have a lot of kids who love to read comic books. But one feature we use a lot was AR, which is Accelerated Reader. It's a program we have at our school where you read books and you can take the quizzes. And so you can still see there's the read to me options if you want it read to you. Also, you get to pick the level you want. So if I pick this level, that's the books it's going to give me. Now, a little stressful thing I see is there's too many choices, so it's great for teachers to assign books. Also, another good feature is you can get dictionary definitions for the words you click on. So now, if a kid doesn't know the word they're stuck on, they now can click on it and know exactly what it means. So it helps them understand, and it even says the word for you. Alright. Now, for teachers, this is great because you can see everything they're doing. So I will go to my students, daily reading. So no one's reading because we're not in school right now, but let me go back to when we were in school. So as you can see here, I could track all the kids reading. And this is awesome. And not only can you do have this type of chart, you can also go to your individual students and it can show you how many hours they've read, how many books they've finished. Also, this student of mine had struggled to read, so I always pick books with cats because she loved books with cats, and so this helps me see how well she did, how long it took her. Also, this is where the quiz, again, I did not like because I think she would have done much better on the quiz if it could have been read to her. So, that's something I feel like that can be improved on. So back to over here. Where is it at? So I saw this today. You can create a group. So this would have been great for small group reading, and I wish I would have saw this so I knew. And you can create a whole group, and then they'll each read that book. And if I want to assign a book, so if I go to, so say if we're talking about something in math I want to go over. Ooh, explore. Not working. Okay. Math, and so I click money, and I can go here and click assign, and I can assign to any of my students that I would like. So I can select my students, and that's the book I want them to read. So with all that being said, that is it on my review. I do believe overall this is a great app, just with a few flaws, but I think it would really help a kid read because there's plenty of intriguing things on this website to help them understand. Thank you.